CAF has dismissed Orlando Pirates' complaint against St. Elua Lupopo. This is reported by Far Post, one of the credible football outlets in South Africa. Their report reads as follows. It reads as follows. Mukoko and Co. arrive in South Africa as CAF issues verdict on Pirates' complaint. The Democratic Republic of Congo side, FC St. Eloi Lupopo, landed in South Africa at the OR Tambo International Airport on Tuesday, with CAF issuing a verdict on Orlando Pirates' protest against them. Lupopo kicked off their group stage campaign with a clash against Mamelodi Sundowns on Saturday in Pretoria. The match is scheduled for Loftus Versfeld Stadium at 3 p.m. on Saturday.